In 1985, a steadfast belief sprouted in a small factory in Yixing, Jiangnan, etching the first milestone of the growth of Far East Holding Group. From the thunderous power of ultra-high voltage transmission lines piercing through the clouds and fog, to the sudden surging of energy arteries, and then to the subtle breathing within 0.03 millimeters at small airports. After 40 years of tampering, every product is infused with the gene of craftsmanship. Behind the brand value of 108.819 billion yuan, there is the trust of 30 million users. The new beginning of life for 100,000 people with disabilities. The technical momentum built by thousands of honors and innovations. The industry height defined by the national-level manufacturing single champion. The Chinese solution reflected in the orders from 160 countries. From the precise orbit of instruments to the neural network of AI large models, the people of Far East, with 40 years of arduous efforts, have brought about the dawn of intelligent manufacturing. At this moment, the fire of innovation never dies, and the East is brightening. Our expedition has already set sail. We use 100% domestically produced nuclear-grade cables to inject inexhaustible power into China's nuclear power industry. Define China's precision with the purity of copper. Leave the mark of Far East on global ultra-high voltage projects. Taking the stance of a pioneer breaking through the barriers of domestic deep-sea technology. Mark the coordinates of Chinese standards in the Blue Territory. The 15,000-kilometer ultra-high voltage energy-saving conductor linking intercontinental boundaries, with an ecological contribution equivalent to the carbon sequestration of 2.9 million trees per year, with the blueprint of major national projects. When Chinese manufacturing advances towards the subtler and deeper fields, highly weather-resistant vehicle-mounted cables safeguard the polar exploration of new energy vehicles. Sensor-embedded chip cables with over 2 million sensors are revolutionizing the monitoring capabilities of power grids. Robotic cables capable of over 10 million bands without signal attenuation are redefining the flexibility limits of smart cables. The smart cable network of Far East is not only the tentacle of the Hualong 1 nuclear power plant, but also the steel lifeline that maintains the 162-year lifespan of the Shenzhen-Zhongshan link. On this journey of climbers, we develop carbon fiber composite core conductors through countless process iterations, breaking through the technical barriers of American composite materials. We build a smart neural network with AI computing power, reshape the real-time pulse of the smart cable network. When the torrent of data breaks through the boundaries of traditional manufacturing, in the liquid-cooled high-power charging pile cables lies the answer of those with foresight. The thickness of 1 unit of electricity can be as thin as 0.006 millimeters. Regarding this battle of thickness, we have spent 15 years writing the equation to defeat fate. From a follower who was forced to look up to a leading vessel with a global production capacity of 75,000 tons, this is an epic of ultra-thin copper foil created by Far East. In Europe, at Xining Airport, in Hengshui, Hebei, Far East Energy Storage, with customers as its core, is laying out a global presence. Deep within the robust industry matrix, Far East Battery, with its high capacity 21700 6,000 mWh cylindrical cells, is innovating the core of robust, supporting the long-lasting battery life mission of robots. From energy storage cell to liquid-cooled energy storage containers, Forest Energy Storage reconstructs energy equality. Mastering low-temperature operation with normal discharge at -30 degrees Celsius, achieving the ultimate conversion with the continuous breakthrough of the 1500-volt system efficiency. Forest Energy Storage builds an infinite vision of a carbon-free future. From the steel phoenix of Beijing Daxing International Airport to the air corridor of the Belt and Road Initiative, we make every takeoff and landing at 170 airports a silent declaration of Chinese standards. The weight of 13 first-class engineering qualifications. The corporate medal of being the #1 in subsectors such as aviation obstruction lines. What we deliver is not just an engineering project, but a love letter written by the people of Forest to the blue sky. In the measurement system of Forest, weight is not only a physical load, but also the weight of the lives employees with disabilities. They calibrate the pulse of conductors with the pursuit of perfection, inscribing love and craftsmanship into the texture of cables. In the talent of cultivation blueprint of Forest, as the first enterprise university in the industry, Forest University has won the title of China's Best Enterprise University again. With a scholarship program covering more than 20 top universities, builds the cornerstone of talent. The 130 million yuan education fund is lifting up thousands of hands that can rewrite their destinies. At this moment, Forest encompasses the warmth of civilization. In 40 years, the fire of craftsmanship never goes out, and the fire of passion always burns. This is the deepest mark of Chinese manufacturing. This is not the end, but the starting point of new productive forces. We're rewriting the gene of manufacturing into the code of intelligent manufacturing, marking the navigation mark of the Chinese solution on the nautical chart of striving towards the sea, lighting the spark of sustainable development under the lighthouse of the energy revolution. Countless people of Forest will, under the firmament of the brand value of hundreds of billions, outline our story, the story of Forest, reaching the future of being unmatched excellence. Forest Holding Group, safeguarding every home, illuminating happy lives.